Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by the title, today we are doing a makeup tutorial. Like seriously, to create this look I use this Take Me Back to Brazil palette, which is by BH Cosmetics. You can easily find some color that you want. This is not really, when it comes to eyeshadow, this is not really something that I really we decided to give it a try because I've been seeing it online. It has been on market for ages, so I decided to give it a try. And to go up with the palette, it wasn't that bad, wasn't that so dramatic. Makeup junkie, I always find my way out, okay? So yeah, anytime I get any palette which I'm not really fond of, which I really want to try, I don't really plan a specific look. I just try to keep things low so that I will not be disappointed at the end of the day. I use, and I'm loving the look. This look I only use to eyeshadow, nothing much, and it has 35 pigment press eyeshadow. I also have a 3 kind of highlight or something. So yeah, and I'm loving the palette. It was €19.99. Without any further ado, if you're interested, you want to see how I slay this look, you already know what to do. Just can enjoy. Before we start, please go show your sister love, subscribe, hit the subscribe button and turn notification bell, so with that you'll be notified when I have a brand new video on my channel. Anyways, feel free to leave a comment on anything you want to see me create, right? So let's jump into the tutorial. It's going to be fun. Okay, take a look at the makeup product I'm going to be using. Everything is going to be drugstore, so I just decided to keep it a little bit low, you know, not to high-end all the time, you know. Nobody got too much money for makeup. Anyway guys, yeah, right now I'm just going to go straight and do my eye. So do my eye, I'm going to be applying this full coverage Flormar concealer. And I'm taking this retechnique sponge, not sponge, a brush. Girl, cool down, be serious, okay? Be serious. Oh, I'm not setting it, okay, because this concealer has that kind of matte effect already. By Bubel, okay, this is a blending fluffy brush. This shade right here. The pigment is not bad. With the brighter color, the pigment is not bad, but let's see how it's going to appear on my lid. I'm going to keep packing and packing and packing and packing and applying and packing until it's coming out like the way I want it to be. Guys, I'm loving this look. I'm loving it. I'm just liking and obsessed with the look already. I can't wait to apply my crease color. I can't wait, guys. And it has a bit fallout, okay, I must say it has a bit fallout. So guys, you know what, life is all about taking risk, right? I'm going to be taking this green, this one right here. It's not working out the way I want. I'm sorry, I can help it that I have to apply another color on top, but let's just let's start before, okay? Make sure you dust. Don't be curious, it looks very bright now, but don't worry, when our face is bit snatched, everything is going to be very succulent, okay? It's going to be juicy. Guys, you can't tell me nothing. I'm loving this look. Make sure you comment down below, let me know what you think, okay? I'm just going to take a cotton pad, just wipe the fallout a little bit because we are about to prime our face. I'm going to be using this Catrice Smooth Face Primer, this one right here. We are using the oily foundation, so dewy foundation. So we need to prime our skin properly. Yeah, sometimes I don't like to use my bare hand to apply my foundation. To apply the primer, I'm going to be using this elf blending brush. So I'm just going to let the primer sit a bit on my skin, at least 1 minute. It's okay to sit on my skin. I'm still going to be using the Sacha buttercup just to set my face a little bit. If you have oil combination skin, you know how we do it. And to buff that to my skin, I'm going to be using this very huge Kiko Kiko face powder brush. Like it's very huge, very heavy. So guys, for foundation I'm going to be using two foundation. This one is a bit too light, this one is a bit too dark. So this one is Milani concealer plus perfect 2-in-1 concealer, and this one is the Loreal Available stick foundation. This one is in chestnut, the Milani is in chestnut, this one is in toffee caramel. I'm just going to apply the stick foundation on my skin already. As you can tell, it's not really 100% my shade because it has a little bit of gray tone to it, so that is why I have to apply the other one so everything can balance each other. Why I love this Milani 2-in-1 concealer, which is foundation and concealer mixed together, everything becomes juicy. The reason why I love it, guys, the finish is just so, I don't know, something else. It's giving me not airbrush look, it's just giving me that, I don't know, spraying your face was spray with some kind of rosy color, you know what I mean? What you use, that's how it's not airbrush look. Like airbrush look is way too different from this. Like extra matte, I'm going to be using my beauty blender. I can't remember the last time I used a beauty blender. I've been using a Real Technique sponge for quite some time now. To set my foundation, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fits Me Matte Plus Pro Lace, and the shade of this one is 350. The reason why I love this brush, you can easily contain a lot of space on your face. So for concealer, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fits Me concealer, and I have two shades right here. I have 30 and 10. So 30, it's a bit, not, it's okay, it's light, but 10 is giving me that really under eye, you know, very bright look. Just tiny bit, just in my inner corner, I apply the shade, this number 10. Surrounds me. On camera it looks very bright, but in real life it looks very yellowish. We'll go far. Created a space in my head, it was empty. So to contour, I'm going to be taking this Catrice Prime and Fine Transparent Drops Darken. Anyways, I'm going to be looking for the shade. Of course it's right somewhere, but I can't really find it right now. I'm going to be listing everything down below. Those years did not recognize the person that's in. And I'm going to be using this Bell Sculptor brush. We made it! Yeah! So for my highlights, I'm going to be using this damn beauty blender. So I'm just going to squeeze, I'm just going to squeeze the beauty blender together so I can really get my nose highlights well blended. So to blend in my nose contour, I'm going to be taking this e.l.f. brush. Believe me, I swear, the story's not over. As I fall, I will continue to get up. I cannot stop because it is over. Living the number 10 on my inner corner. To be every, just like so. Not too much. So yeah, to set my highlight, I'm going to be using the Sacha buttercup. Did not recognize the person that's inside. Looks a bit too yellow, so I'm going to be mixing it together with another lighter powder. You know, we love to do this for extra sharp contour, so we are still going to set, oh my days, yeah, Set it, girl. Set it, girl. To set my contour, I'm going to be using Covergirl Covergirl Queen, yeah, in the shade Ebony. So yeah, and I'm using the same brush. Actually, this is a bronzer. It's not really a contour. Bronzer or contour, I believe they do the same job. Okay, just that bronzer has a little bit natural effect to it for brown skin girls, and contour has a little bit of heavy-handed. Is it heavy-handed? It's more darker. So yeah, I like my face. Do you like your face? Say yes. Good. So that is why I always like to apply lashes later, and also your setting powder is going to enter your lashes. So, and I don't really like applying mascara on lashes. So for blush, I'm going to be taking this blush by Kiko, and this one is called Dusty Pink. Very beautiful blush. Okay, very beautiful blush. And I'm taking this Kiko kind of pointed round brush. I'm just going to do it like so. It's very pigment. Look. Oh my days, if I apply that on my cheeks is going to look like a crease ball. But I know that I'm going to be setting my face using the Makeup Revolution Pro Minimizing Fixing Spray. For liner, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Eye Studio Gel Liner, and I'm taking this brush, no name brush. The person that's inside. So for my bottom lashes, I'm going to be taking this color, the one I apply on my crease, which is this one right here. I'm just going to blow that on my bottom lashes, okay? For mascara, I'm going to be using the Catrice Lashes to Kill. And as well on my bottom lashes. Highlighting my face using the Milani Candlelight in number 2. My nose needs to be kissing the winds. You know? I need to take Instagram. I'm here. To line my lips, I'm going to be using the waterproof lip liner by Flormar Cosmetic in number 2231. Lip option, okay? I have these Catrice Dewy Fully Lips, and I also have this Loreal Color Rich Matte Color Crush. So I don't know which one I should use, because this one is a bit dark, so I don't know if this is going to look nice on it. Look nice. I think I'll go for this. Normally I wanted to go for something nude, but I'm going to be applying my gloves on top. I'm going to be using this Catrice Lip Glance. Oh yeah, Anyway guys, that's pretty much it for this look. I'm going to be right back. I'm going to be doing my hair, maybe outfit, I don't know, but just go do my hair, okay? I'll be right back to show you the finish of the look, right? Don't go anywhere, stay there. So guys, voila, we are done. I decided just to change my outfit because the outfit I was wearing before, it was just too bright. My hair is bright, my makeup is bright, my lips is popping. Now a little bit, I decided to wear some kind of gray turtleneck shorthand top, and which I got from Zara. Really my look right now. Oh my days, I wanted to make it coils, but I wasn't feeling the coils. I decided just to keep it straight like this, because with that it's going to make everything look so put together. So with this palette right here, I'm going to be giving 8.5. The reason because it has a bit fallout and the pigment is not that quality like I thought, but other than that, it's good, it's beautiful to work with, okay? So yeah, and for the price, super affordable. Anyway guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know, like I said, comment below. Please share this video, it means a lot to me. Tell me that you get like my video, okay? If you have any requests, feel free, okay? So without any further ado, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Take a chat. Mwah. Mwah.